everyone, I am Nurul Nathasyah, and today I'm going to explore how AI and cloud computing connects to the laws of thermodynamics, the carbon cycle, and the global water cycle related to chapter 3, which is matter, energy, and life. Every day, people tend to scroll, stream, upload, and chat online. Sometimes we send emails, store photos, and even use artificial intelligence for our assignments or just for fun. Every touch feels like magic, doesn't it? We call it the cloud. Yeah, it sounds like invisible and harmless, right? But the truth is, the cloud is not in the sky. It lives in giant warehouses called data centers, and they are quietly using huge amounts of electricity and water for every second. So today, let us ask an important question. Does our digital lifestyle contribute to making the earth hotter? Data centers are massive facilities filled with thousands of powerful computers running 24/7. Every search, every video, every AI prompt travels through these servers. But there's a problem that you and I don't know. These machines generate energy, and according to the Second Law of Thermodynamics, first describe the Rudolf process and Lord Kelvin. Whenever energy is converted from one form to another form, some of it is inevitably degraded into less useful heat that dissipates into the environment. This means energy transformation always moves from order to disorder. In other words, the heat produced by our technology does not simply disappear, it becomes part of the thermal footprint of our digital world. Here is another shocking fact that is now gaining attention worldwide. To keep servers from overheating, many data centers use freshwater cooling system. Water absorbs heat and then evaporates to remove it. But freshwater is extremely limited. According to our lecture's note, only 0.024 of Earth's water is usable for humans. Yet, our digital world is quietly consuming this precious resource. And AI is increasing this demand every year. At the same time, much of the electricity powering these centers still comes from burning fossil fuels. This disrupts the carbon cycle, releasing excess carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, trapping more heat and driving climate change. So, our online activities don't just use energy, they also use water and contribute to global warming. Every click increases energy demand. Every search has a small carbon footprint, individually tiny but its impact globally is massive. I'm not making empty claims. What I say is supported by evidence. This issue is not happening somewhere far away. Malaysia is rapidly becoming a data center powerhouse in Southeast Asia, with major hubs developing in Johor and Cyberjaya. While this brings economic growth and technological advancement, it also raises an important environmental question. Can our local resources handle it? Malaysia already faces heat waves, flood, and occasional water disruptions. When data centers consume large volumes of water, they may compete with water needed by communities, agriculture, and ecosystem. Without realizing it, we are trading local natural resources for global digital convenience. So, is this statement, AI is heating the planet, true? The answer is partially true. AI itself is not the problem, but its indirect environmental footprint is real. It increases energy demand, water consumption, and carbon emission. This is a modern example of how human technology can shift the balance of Earth's natural system. Our digital life is not invisible. It has a physical and environmental cost. So, what can we do? We don't have to delete our apps. The solution is not to stop using technology, but to use it responsibly. We can practice digital sobriety by delete unused files and emails, reduce unnecessary streaming, keep device longer instead of upgrading frequently, support renewable energy and green data centers. So, bear in mind, technology can also bring benefits such as helping monitor forests, predict floods, as well as optimize renewable energy. But the future must be smart and sustainable. The internet may feel invisible, but its environmental impact is real. Think before you click, because sustainability starts with awareness. That's all from me. Thank you.